In this video, I will show you how to delete Twitch account 2022. Firstly, open up the application, tap on your profile icon on the left upper side, simply scroll down and go for account settings. As you get right there, and as you scroll down, you can find out all these selections. Go for account, the first site selection, and right from here, as you can see, you don't have that option to simply go and take that site. As you want to take that site, simply you need to go on security and privacy, and right from here also, as you can see, there is no option for that. That means that you need to go for community guidelines, and or you need to go on terms of service, which right from here you're going to be available to get that right point. As you cannot, as you can see, you have these selections, and as you don't want to waste of time, simply the best option for it is to go to your browser and just then type for delete Twitch account. And as you get on that pointless selection, click right there on that help.twitch.com, and as you get right there to your customer service, firstly you'll need to log in into your account and all that stuff, and simply then go follow all the instructions which are right here from the description, which is taken out by the supporting team of Twitch.